Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 6a from chapter Solving Problems Based on Quadratic Equations. Now in this chapter, we'll solve word problems and use quadratic equations to solve these problems. So starting with question number 1, the product of two consecutive integers is 56. Find the integers. Now there are two consecutive integers. Two consecutive मतलब क्या हो जाता है? Consecutive numbers means 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 100 and 101, 1005 and 1006. So two back-to-back numbers. Okay, any two back-to-back numbers are two consecutive numbers. You are told they are integers. Integers means it can be positive number, it can be a negative number or 0. Okay, so these are the possibilities. It can be my plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 anything, or minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 or 0. Okay, so these are the possibilities of the numbers. Now two consecutive bola hai. Okay, so these are consecutive numbers. So if I say this is x, तो दूसरा क्या हो जाता है? x में एक ऐड करके हो जाएगा. Correct. So let the two numbers be x and x plus 1. Alright. So let's say that the two consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. Okay. The product of two consecutive integers is 56. ये जो दो integers है उनका product is 56. So always write down according to given condition. I'm using short forms, please don't use short forms. X into x plus 1 is equal to 56. It's very easy, basic problem है. We need to find the integers, both the integers. Okay. So x square plus x is equal to 56 and x square plus x minus 56 is equal to 0. You shift everything on the LHS. Okay. Now we need to find the factors. So sum is b. Okay, तो sum क्या है? Plus 1 है. Product क्या है? 1 into minus 56 gives minus 56. So whenever the product is negative, it means the numbers are opposite sign wala. Okay, so that means one is positive, other is negative, both have opposite signs. All right, so basically you have to subtract the numbers whenever the product is negative. So there are two numbers, one is 7, other is 8. Okay, so sum will tell you which one is positive, which one is negative. So if sum is positive, it means greater is positive and smaller is negative. Okay, so this is very easy. You can directly find the factors. Okay, if you are not getting, then you can factorize 56. Okay, you will get the factors. So minus 7 and plus 8. So x square plus 8x minus 7x minus 56 is equal to 0. Okay, now let's take common. So x into x plus 8. यहाँ से कॉमन लेते हैं, यहाँ पे माइनस कॉमन लेंगे. सो 7 ऑल्सो, x प्लस 8 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो x प्लस 8 इंटू x माइनस 7 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो x प्लस 8 इज इक्वल टू 0 और x माइनस 7 इज इक्वल टू 0. So x is equal to minus 8 or x is equal to 7. Alright. Now it can also be negative or it can be positive. There are two possibilities because integer bola hai. Okay. So if x is equal to minus 8, then x plus 1 will be what? It will be minus 8 plus 1. So it will be minus 7. Okay. And if x is equal to 7, then x plus 1 will be 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8. Alright, so there are two possibilities. It can be minus 8 and minus 7 or 7 and 8. So the consecutive integers are -8 and -7, or 7 and 8. Okay, so there are two possibilities. Always write down final statement. All right, let's read the next question. Question number 2. The sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 41. Find the numbers. Now there are two consecutive natural numbers. Okay, so two consecutive matlab two back to back, one after the other. Okay, so you will take x and x plus 1. Okay, you can also take x minus 1 and x to be the two consecutive natural numbers. You can take it that way also. ये smaller होगा, okay, and ये bigger होगा. All right, you will still get correct answer. So not necessary you have to take x and x plus 1 only. So if you take x and x plus 1, they are natural numbers. Okay, so keep in mind all the positive integers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. So let the two natural numbers, two consecutive natural numbers, be x and x plus 1. Okay, now according to given condition, don't use short forms, please write full words. So according to given condition, the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers is 41. Sum means addition of the squares of the two numbers. So squares of the two numbers will be x का square and x plus 1, the whole thing का square. Don't take x square plus 1 square, no. Square of both the numbers. So इसका square plus इसका square, okay, is मतलब is equal to 41. Okay, so again very easy. X square plus, expand this, a plus b the whole square का formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 41. Okay, so x square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 41. Let's shift 41 on the other side. So 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 41 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2x minus 40 is equal to 0. Now we can divide every coefficient over here by 2. Okay, so let's divide by 2. We'll get smaller numbers. Okay, so x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Dividing throughout by 2. Just give reason over here. Dividing throughout by 2. Okay, now it's easy. 20 is the product, minus 20 in fact. Okay, and sum is plus 1. Okay, now product negative होगा, means one is positive, one is negative, opposite signs है, so you have to subtract the numbers. So 20 के factors क्या है? 4 and 5. Okay, we know it's very easy. Okay, 1 and 20, 4 and 5, 2 and 10. So 4 and 5 का difference ही 1 देगा. 4 and 5. Sum tells you which one will have which sign. Sum का sign is greater number का sign. Sum is positive means greater number is positive, smaller number negative होगा, because both have opposite signs. Okay, so x square minus 4x plus 5x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now let's take common. So x into x minus 4 plus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 5. All right, now it cannot be negative. We are told that it is a natural number. Natural number is not negative, so you'll just write down x equal to minus 5 is not applicable, as x is a natural number. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 4. If x is 4, तो x plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 1, which is 5. Okay, so therefore the two consecutive natural numbers are 4 and 5. All right, coming to next question, question number 3. Find the two natural numbers which differ by 5 and the sum of whose squares is 97. Now there are two natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers, the number starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the two natural numbers which differ by 5. Here we are not given consecutive numbers. The difference between the numbers is 5. So let's say one of the numbers is x. Okay, let's say one is x. दूसरा क्या होगा? It will be x plus 5. If this is 10, so this will be 10 plus 5, that is 15. If this is 7, then this will be 7 plus 5, which is 12. If this is 5, then this will be 5 plus 5, that is 10. Right? So the difference is 5. Okay? So you can take x and x plus 5. You can also take x and x minus 5. All right, so if this is 10, तो ये हो जाएगा 10 minus 5. Okay, automatically you will get correct answer. Okay, the equation will be a little different, but the answer is going to be correct as long as you are following the proper condition, you are solving properly using correct mathematical formulas, you will get the answer correct. Okay, so not necessary you have to take x and x plus 5, you can also take x and x minus 5. So I'll be taking x and x plus 5. Now the two natural numbers differ by 5. So we'll first write down, let one of the numbers be x. So let one natural number be x. So other natural number is x plus 5. Okay, because we are given that they differ by 5. Okay, and the sum of whose squares is 97. So it's very easy, sum of the squares. Okay, so square लेके फिर sum करना है. So इसका square plus इसका square. So just write down according to given condition. Please don't use short forms. Okay, so according to given condition, sum of the squares of the two numbers. So x का square plus x plus 5, the whole thing का square. Don't write x square plus 5 square. It's wrong. Okay, पूरे number का square ले रहे हैं हम लोग. It is 97, मतलब is equal to 97. Now it's again very easy. x square plus a plus b the whole square का formula apply करो. So a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square is equal to 97. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 2 5s are 10 into x plus 25. Let's shift 97 on the other side, equal to 0. So 2x square plus 10x, 25 minus 97. So that will give you 72. Okay, now this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. So let's divide the entire equation by 2. So x square हो जाएगा 10 divided by 2, 5 हो जाएगा. 72 divided by 2, 36 हो जाएगा. And 0 divided by 2, 0. So just give reason why you're dividing throughout by 2. Okay, now it's easy. We have smaller numbers. 36 का factors find करना है. 1 into minus 36. Okay, that is minus 36 is the product and sum is plus 5. Product is negative, means both the numbers have opposite signs. Okay, means you have to subtract the factors. So 36 का factors find out करो. 9 and 5, 9 and 4 sorry, not 5. 9 and 4 का difference 5 देगा. All right, so 9 and 4. सम विल टेल यू सम का जो साइन होता है वो ही ग्रेटर नंबर का साइन होता है. ओके, so this is positive, this is negative. So 9 minus 4 gives you 5 and plus 9 into minus 4 gives you minus 36. Okay, so x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 36 is equal to 0. Taking common x into x plus 9, यहाँ पे 4 common है, minus भी common लेते हैं. So x plus 9 remains in the bracket equal to 0. Always keep in mind whenever minus goes outside the bracket, the signs inside the bracket change. तो minus 4x था, 4 चला गया, minus भी चला गया, x बच गया. यहाँ पे 4 into how much? 36. 4 into 9 and negative will become positive. Okay. So x plus 9 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x plus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 9 or x is equal to 4. Can x be minus 9? No, it cannot be. So write down x is not equal to minus 9 because we are told natural numbers. It is a natural number. So this is not a natural number. So therefore x is equal to 4. Now x equal to 4 है तो x plus 5 क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 4 plus 5, that is 9. Okay, so the two numbers are 4 and 9. So the two natural numbers are 4 and 9. Write down the statement. Okay, always write down the final statement and you can always cross check. Okay, you are told that the difference between the two numbers is 5, तो 5 आ रहा है difference दोनों का, 9 minus 4 5 होता है. Also you can also substitute the values in the equation and find out if you are getting equal to 97. Okay, LHS RHS दोनों का value same आ रहा है कि नहीं. Okay, let's read the next question. Question number 4. The sum of a number and its reciprocal is 4.25. Find the number. Now there is a number and its reciprocal. So let's say the number is x. x है, उसका reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by x. If I have 5, तो it will become 1 by 5. Reciprocal is basically 1 by that number, 1 divided by the number. Okay. So if it is 10, it will be 1 by 10. Alright. So हम लोग ने x लिया है तो reciprocal will be 1 by x. Okay, so the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 4.25. Find the number. Over here we are not given whether the number is positive, negative, nothing is given. Okay, so let the number be x. So its reciprocal will be 1 by x. So therefore its reciprocal is 1 by x. Okay, so what is the condition? The condition is very easy. According to given condition, please don't use short forms, write full words. Sum, that is addition, of a number is x, and its reciprocal is 1 by x, is equal to 4.25. Okay, now we won't keep x in denominator. So पहले क्या करते हैं, पहले यहाँ पे ही सॉल्व करते हैं. मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई x over here. So x square upon x plus 1 upon x is equal to 4.25. So x square plus 1 upon x is equal to 4.25. So now I can shift x on the other side. So x square plus 1 is equal to 4.25x. Now we'll shift this on the other side, but यहाँ पे we have 0.25 decimal है. So what you can do is there are two ways. You can multiply by 100 throughout multiply by 100. So it will become 100x square plus 100 is equal to 425x. Now again this is a very big number, so you can start dividing. Okay, so you can divide it by 25 max. 25 से divide कर सकते हैं each and every number over here. All right, so you can divide by 25. So 25 4 za, 25 4 za, and 25 17 za. Okay, so you will get 4x square minus 17x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is one of the ways that you can follow. The other way is, obviously you need to give statements over here. Okay, when you are multiplying by 100, multiplying by 100 throughout लिखना पड़ेगा, either in brackets or before multiplying, or whenever you are dividing by 25 you have to give statement again over there, dividing by 25 throughout. Okay, so don't forget these statements. Now if I have 0.25 over here, 0.25 into how much will give me 1? 0.25 into 4 gives me 1. Okay, so basically मुझे ये 0.25 को निकालने के लिए I need to multiply by 4. So let us multiply by 4 only directly. Okay, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो अपने आप ये 0.25 निकल जाएगा, डेसिमल विल गो अवे. ओके, सो दिस इज शॉर्टर मेथड. ऑल राइट, दैट इज लॉन्गर मेथड बट ईजियर मेथड, एंड दिस वन इज शॉर्टर मेथड. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 4 थ्रू आउट क्या हो जाएगा? 4x square plus 4 is equal to 4 into 4.25. 4 into 4.25 will give me 17x. You can just check. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17.00. Okay, that is, anyway 17.00 is 17. So 4x square minus 17x plus 4 is equal to 0. So even if you multiply by 100 and then divide by 25, you will still get that answer. Okay, so this is the final equation. Now 4 into 4 is the product, plus into plus, plus है तो plus 16 is the product, and sum is minus 17. Product is positive, it means both the numbers have same sign and you have to add the numbers. Okay, so product is positive means both the numbers have same sign. What sign? Sum will tell you. Sum is negative, मतलब both the numbers are negative. 16 का factors, 16 and 1, because we are getting 17 over here. Okay, very easy. So 4x square minus 16x minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So taking common 4x, I can take common from both. So 4x common लिया तो we are left with x minus 4. X went outside, 4 went outside. 4 into how much gives 16? 4 into 4. Okay. यहाँ पे we'll take minus common. Okay. So minus common लेंगे तो nothing is common, so we'll take 1 common. All right. यहाँ पे nothing is common, so we'll take minus 1 common. Over here the signs will change, x will become positive and 4 will become negative. Basically we wanted this to be negative, इसलिए हम लोग ने minus बाहर लिया. Okay, because brackets should be same, you should get same brackets. So x minus 4 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 is equal to 0, or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4, or 4x is equal to 1, that is x is equal to 1 by 4. So x अगर 4 है तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? 1 by 4. And if x is 1 by 4 तो उसका रेसिप्रोकल is 4. Okay, so we are getting both the numbers over here only. So just write down. Don't forget final statements. Okay, very very important. Word problems may always write down final statements. It is very very necessary. So when x is equal to 4, 1 by x is equal to 1 by 4, and when x is equal to 1 by 4, जो हम लोग को दूसरा नंबर मिला, तो 1 by x will be what? It will be 4. Okay, So anyway we are getting the same numbers, so just write down, therefore the number is 4 and its reciprocal is 1/4. Alright, here it is not asked about the reciprocal, but still just mention, okay, 4 is the number and its reciprocal is 1/4, or vice versa. Also add that, because that is also the possibility. Okay, let's read the next question. Question number 5. Two natural numbers differ by 3. Find the numbers if the sum of their reciprocals is 7/10. There are two natural numbers. Okay, so basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the positive integers. All right, so two natural numbers differ by 3. So if one is x, दूसरा क्या हो जाएगा? X plus 3. Okay, you can also take x and x minus 3. You can take that way also. Alright, so two natural numbers differ by 3. I'll be taking these two. Okay, you can also take these two, you will still get correct answer. Alright, find the numbers if the sum of their reciprocals is 7/10. Two numbers are this, तो उनका रेसिप्रोकल क्या हो जाएगा? x का रेसिप्रोकल विल बी 1/x and x plus 3 का रेसिप्रोकल 1/x plus 3. Alright, so the sum of their reciprocals, that is basically adding the reciprocals, it is equal to 7/10. You just need to solve. Okay, so let us write down proper statements and start solving. So let one of the natural numbers be x. Other number will be what? X plus 3. You can also take x minus 3. Put brackets. The sum of their reciprocals is 7/10. So reciprocals पहले लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, so reciprocal of x is 1/x and reciprocal of x plus 3 is 1/x plus 3. Now come to the condition. So according to given condition, don't use short forms. Okay, sum of their reciprocals, that is 1/x and 1/x plus 3. If you had taken x minus 3, it would be x minus 3. Okay, is 7/10. Okay, so even if you take x minus 3, you will get correct answer. The equation automatically gets adjusted. Okay, so you will get correct answer. Now let's cross multiply. Okay, that is basically we'll use crisscross method. Multiply this denominator with this one with this, and then multiply the denominators. So multiplying this with 1, so 1 into x plus 3 plus 1 into x, and multiplying the denominator, so x into x plus 3. This is like taking LCM only. Okay, so 7/10. Now 1 into x plus 3 is x plus 3. So x plus 3 plus 1 into x, x upon x square plus 3x is equal to 7/10. Let's cross multiply now. Okay, so 10 into your x plus x, 2x plus 3 is equal to 7 into x square plus 3x. So we'll get 20x plus 30 is equal to 7x square plus 7 3s are 21x. So let's shift everything in the LHS. So minus 7x square minus 21x plus 20x plus 30 is equal to 0. So minus 7x square minus x plus 30 is equal to 0. So instead of keeping x square negative, make it positive. So multiply by -1 throughout. You can keep it negative and solve, you will still get correct answer, but I am keeping it positive. So 7x square plus x minus 30 is equal to 0. Alright, -1 into -7 plus 7 हो जाएगा, -1 into माइनस था यहाँ पे, माइनस इंटू माइनस यहाँ पे प्लस हो जाएगा, सो प्लस एक्स, -1 into +30 -30 and -1 into 0 is 0. Okay, so now we have proper equation. Product is 7 into 30, so product is 7 3s are 21 to 10 minus, okay, and sum is +1. Okay, so we need to find the factors. So let us now find the factors. Now the product is negative, so product is negative, it means that both the numbers have opposite signs. Okay, so opposite होगा तो ही product negative आता है. So one is positive, one is negative. Now which one is positive, which one is negative? Sum का sign is greater number का sign, so greater number will be positive and smaller number will be negative. So first let us see what are the two numbers. So let's factorize 210. So 2 1s are, 0s are and 5s are. 5 2s are, 5 1s are. So 2 and 105 का डिफरेंस तो 1 नहीं देता है. 5 2s are 10, 10 and 21 का डिफरेंस is not giving you that still. So 3 7s are. So 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 and 7 का difference is not giving you 1, 7 1s are. Now let's change the order, let's shuffle the order. Okay, so we went in this order. अभी कोई भी दो नंबर्स को हम लोग ग्रुप करते हैं. So if you take 5 and 7, okay, we are taking two random numbers. हम लोग ये ऑर्डर में नहीं जाएंगे, हम लोग कोई भी दो यू नो नंबर्स ऐसे दूर दूर वाले नंबर्स को साथ में ग्रुप करते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो 5 and 7 35 हो जाएगा and 3 2s are 6, so no, this is not giving you 1. Let's check 7 and 2 14, 5 and 3 15. Yes, 15 and 14 is giving me difference 1. So 15 and 14. 15, greater number is positive because sum is positive and other number is negative. Alright, so 7x square plus 15x minus 14x minus 30 is equal to 0. So over here we can take only x common. So x 7x plus 15 बचेगा. Okay, and यहाँ पे 2 common and minus also. So -2, we are left with 2 7s are 14 and यहाँ पे 2 15s are. Signs will change because we have taken minus sign outside. This becomes positive, this becomes positive. Okay, so always make sure you are getting same brackets when you are taking common. Okay, if you are not, that means you have made some mistake. So 7x plus 15 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 7x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 7x is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 2. So x is equal to minus 15 upon 7 or x is equal to 2. Natural numbers here. Is this a natural number? So you need to write down statement x is not equal to minus 15 upon 7 because x is a natural number. Alright, so therefore x is equal to 2. Now since x is 2, दूसरा नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 3, that is 5. Okay, alright, so you need to write down the final statement. The two natural numbers are 2 and 5. Okay, so if you are taking x and x minus 3, okay, you would get accordingly. So x 5 milta and x minus 3 you would get as 2. Alright, so you can try that also, you will still get correct answer. Moving on to next question, question number 6. Divide 15 into two parts such that the sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10. Now we have to divide the number 15 into two parts, okay, into two parts such that the sum of their reciprocals, will come to reciprocals part later. 15 को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. सो 15 है, टू पार्ट्स में उसको डिवाइड करना है. नाउ लेट्स से वन पार्ट इज़ 2, तो दूसरा पार्ट क्या हो जाएगा, कितना होगा, 15 माइनस 2 13. इफ़ वन पार्ट इज़ 5 तो दूसरा पार्ट कितना हो जाएगा, 15 माइनस 5 दैट इज़ 10. ओके. इफ़ वन पार्ट इज़ 7 तो दूसरा पार्ट कितना हो जाएगा, 15 माइनस 7 दैट इज़ 8. सो इफ़ वन पार्ट इज़ x तो दूसरा पार्ट कितना हो जाएगा, 15 माइनस x. ऑलराइट. So let the two parts be x and 15 minus x such that the sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10. So इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा 1 by x, इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा 1 by 15 minus x. Sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10. Very easy. Okay. So now let us write down proper statements and start solving. Let the two parts of 15 be x and 15 minus x. Okay. Now उनका रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं. So reciprocal of x is 1 by x and reciprocal of 15 minus x is 1 by 15 minus x. Okay. Now the condition is given, so let's apply the condition. So just write down, according to given condition, no short forms, students. Okay. So sum of the reciprocal, that is this plus this. So 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. Let's solve this first. Okay, LHS को solve करते हैं. So 1 into this, I'll multiply this, then this and the denominators. So 1 into 15 minus x plus 1 into x upon x into 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. You can also take LCM. Okay, यहाँ पे 15 minus x से multiply किया, यहाँ पे x से multiply किया. Okay, it's one and the same. So 15 minus x plus x upon 15x minus x square is equal to 3 upon 10. So x will get cancelled. We are left with 15 upon 15x minus x square is 3 upon 10. Let's cross multiply. So 15 into 10 is equal to 3 into 15x square, x minus x square. So 150 is equal to 45x minus 3x square. Let's shift the terms in the LHS. So 3x square positive हो जाएगा, this will become negative and this will remain positive. Okay. Now each and every number over here is divisible by 3. Okay. So let's divide by 3 throughout. So just write down dividing by 3 throughout. तो 3 by 3 1 हो जाएगा, तो 1x square. 45 by 3 15x. 150 by 3 50 and 0 by 3 0. Okay. You can also divide. Okay, वो step मैंने cut कर दिया है. You can follow the steps and get this equation. Now 1 into 50 plus 50 is the product and the sum is minus 15. Product is positive, it means both the numbers have same sign. What sign? Sum will tell you. Both are negative. Okay, so both the factors are negative. तो 50 का factors find out करो. Okay, 50 का factors very easy. यहाँ पे हम लोग बता ही सकते हैं 5 and 10. Okay, -5 and -10 are the factors. So when you add, you will get -15, and when you multiply, you will get +50. Okay, minus into minus gives plus. So x square minus 5x minus 10x plus 50 is equal to 0. So taking x common, x minus 5, यहाँ पे -10 common, so x minus 5. If you take 10 common, यहाँ पे सिर्फ x बचेगा and it will become positive, and यहाँ पे 10 into how much? 10 5s are, and plus will become minus. Okay, so you should get same brackets. So x minus 5, and in another bracket we get x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 10. So when x is 5, दूसरा पार्ट क्या हो जाएगा? 15 minus 5, that is 10. And when x is 10, दूसरा पार्ट क्या हो जाएगा? 15 minus 10, that is 5. So we are getting both the answers over here only. So when x is equal to 5, तो other part will be 15 minus x. So 15 minus x is 15 minus 5, which is 10. And when x is equal to 10, so the other part is 15 minus x, which is 15 minus 10, which is equal to 5. So it can be 5 and 10 or 10 and 5. Alright, so just write down the two parts are 5 and 10, okay, in any order. So the two parts of 15, okay, are 5 and 10.